Good day, everyone. This is Mr. J, and I'm here to help you out with your math needs. So let's proceed, shall we, with number 15, which states, a stack of coins has 10 nickels. Only one of the nickels is facing heads up. What is the probability that the fifth coin from the bottom is facing tails up? Well, by looking at the question, we have to set up the formula for a probability. In this case, the probability of heads, which is the numerator, number on the top, would be the number of ways it will happen. The number of ways you will have heads. According to the problem, it says only one of the nickels is facing heads up. So that means one time you will get heads. Out of the number of outcomes, well, how many outcomes do we have? Meaning how many nickels? We have 10 nickels. So now the question is, what is the probability that the fifth coin from the bottom is facing tails up? Now, first of all, pardon my artistry, or like there on the left-hand side, I wrote down, quote-unquote, 10 coins, and they're all nickels, labeled as N to the left. And obviously, because the problem says only one of the 10 nickels is heads up. Therefore, if we have one of the nickels is heads up, that means the rest of the coins are tails, or tails up. So with that being said, the question asks, what is the probability that the fifth coin from the bottom is facing tails up? Well, because we know that the rest of the coins are tails, so how many tails do we have? 9 tails. Out of how many possible outcomes, or how many nickels? 10 nickels. So we have 9 tails out of those 10 coins, or 10 nickels. And the only one is heads up. So this equation explains that there's a 90% chance the fifth coin or anywhere from the stack will be tails. So the question asks, what is the probability that the fifth coin from the bottom is facing tails up? As we just explained, there is a 90% chance the fifth coin or, because this is sort of like a trick question, the fifth coin or anywhere from the stack will be tails. So your final answer is, what is the probability that the fifth coin from the bottom is facing tails up? Is 9 out of 10. This is your final answer. Thank you very much for your time.